Online personal shopping. You can offer your services as an online personal shopper, helping clients to find and purchase items online. Website flipping. Website flipping involves buying and selling websites for a profit. You can improve the website's traffic or design and sell it for a higher price. Online research. You can make money by conducting research online for businesses or individuals. Stock photography. If you have a knack for photography, you can sell your images on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or iStock. Virtual event planning. You can help clients plan and coordinate virtual events, such as webinars or conferences, from the comfort of your own home. Online copy editing. You can offer your services as an online copy editor, proofreading and editing written content. Online graphic design. If you have skills in graphic design, you can offer your services to clients who need logos, marketing materials, or other design work. Voiceover work. You can offer your voiceover services for audiobooks, commercials, or video content. Online customer service. You can offer customer service support for businesses or companies from your home office. This could involve responding to customer inquiries, resolving issues, or answering questions. Online event planning. You can offer your services as an online event planner, helping clients to plan and coordinate virtual events, webinars, or conferences. Online travel agent. You can become an online travel agent and help clients plan and book their trips.